Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily apply effect to our long clip on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and let's say that here I have a very long clip, and first of all let's just apply the effect. So we can tap on the filter and you can select effect or AI effect, and I'm gonna go with effect. And for example, I'm going to apply this a tremble effect. Okay, just tap on this check mark button after you're done selecting the effect. Okay, and here I want to drag it, and it will take a longer time if I should drag this effect to the end of the clip. So I'm going to show you the trick to easily apply this effect to the whole part of your clip. So you can tap on this button, then you can tap on the clip end. Okay, and now the effect has been aligned with the video, and that's how we can quickly and easily apply effect to our long clip on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.